Yeah, man, tap in.
Oh, what up, bro?
I count 6 shots.
What's me up? Huh? Y'all chilling? Y'all living life good? Y'all living life good. I'm living life good. You know, I just started this YouTube channel. I'm finna wreck on this YouTube channel. My name is Mike Rath. How are you doing today? Nice to meet you. Fake shake my hand. Yep. Nice to meet you. But anyway, yep, this is my voice. You probably think that a person that looks like me isn't his real voice, but this is my real voice. Hey, my nose itch, bro. But yeah, this is my real voice. I'll be kicking, I'll be chilling, I'll be wrecking, smoking, drinking. Just playing. I don't do that. I'm not a stoner or an alcoholic. I'm going to be an alcoholic. Shut up. But yeah, I'm doing this now. And I'ma just start posting random videos about me, about my life, about things that's going on in this world. Um, like this video, share this video, show it to your mama. Yeah, show it to your mama. I just said it. Show it to your mama. Comment on this video. Let me know what you want me to talk about. Ask me some questions. Well, tell me some questions. No, ask me some questions. I was right. Now I'm gonna start at Ask Mike. Bye.